video on the CRM Add-On. The CRM can be used to track all inquiries for potential business, such as guests for a booking, companies who wish to organise contracted rates with you, potential events for conferences or weddings or parties. You can track these by having them entered into Newbook. Let's go through some of the key features in the CRM. The online pop-up allows you to capture potential guest names and emails from your booking page. Once guests enter this information, the potential guest will automatically drop into Newbook as a lead. These leads are a great resource for future marketing campaigns. Once the guest selects the Book Now button, Newbook Online will create an availability email in Newbook to capture this information. If the guest then clicks out of the website or shuts it down, you can set a follow-up to automatically send an abandoned cart email to the guest to increase the chance of conversion. The follow-up feature is used to automate certain actions for CRM features. To create a follow-up for an abandoned cart email like this, we suggest the following settings. For availability email, run when, upon follow-up date. The default follow-up date can be set within your instance settings. Follow-up filters, type, equal to cart. The quote option refers to availability emails created by staff from the quote booking page. Follow-up actions, email availability emails, type, abandoned cart follow-up, and select the email you would want this to come from. These options pull through from your contact templates and can be customized. To track the total abandoned cart and availability emails, you can use the availability email report. You can also use follow-ups to reply to incoming SMS. For instance, when a guest texts outside of office hours, a text can be sent to the guest letting them know that the office is closed, or maybe even providing an emergency phone number. You could also send a notification to staff that an SMS has been received. As mentioned, when guests add their name and email in the pop-up, this drops into Newbook as a lead. Staff members can also manually add these into Newbook. Alternatively, if you have your own online inquiry page, you can even link this into Newbook, so these drop in automatically. When this lead drops into the system, you can use follow-ups to automatically send an email to a new lead, or assign this to a certain staff member. You can fill in as much or as little information about the lead as you like to help staff track and organise their interaction with prospective clients, such as with status, reasons, source, method, categories, interests, types. These fields can be customised to suit your business needs. Custom fields can then be added to record any additional information. Once saved, staff can then record any tasks or notes and send emails or SMS from the lead, and a running log of all of this information can be found easily in the Activity History tab. These note types and task types can even be customised. You can then use reports like our lead data report to generate a list of custom leads, which then can be used for marketing purposes. You can use your lead origin report for a full breakdown of where all your leads are coming from on an interactive map. Finally, you can use your lead conversion report to see how many leads have been converted. I hope you've enjoyed learning about just some of the features within the CRM. For extra help setting up this feature, or to explore other FAQs, simply click the question mark icon on the top right. Our knowledge base is packed with detailed step-by-step guides to get you started.